When it comes to enabling decisions in the art of selling, we need to start by beginning with the end in mind. There are four simple questions I think you need to think about and consider as you go into any sales opportunity. The very first question you need to be asking yourself is, should we be talking? Not only to yourself, but also you're inviting the other person to consider this as well. The second thing that you're going to ask is, should we keep talking? You're really trying to find that out as you interact with whomever it is you're engaging. They need to know too, and they need to decide as well, should we keep talking? The third question then is, should you do this? We're looking for impact, right? If we can't define it and we can't show it and it's not valuable, then why are we going to even consider this? Again, the end in mind is we're trying to enable a decision. And the last question is, should you do this with us? You've gone through this process with them. You've come to know who they are a bit. You know their decision-making process. Is it a right fit for you? Does it even make sense to keep moving forward? And does it work for them? If it's not a good fit, don't do it. Those are the four big questions I want to ask and I'll consider as my end in mind. I learned this about 15 years ago through Let's Get Real or Let's Not Play by Mahan Khalsa. Highly recommend it. And the whole point is, let's win fast or lose fast. It's not only for us, but it's for them as well.